After more than 16,000 kilometers, I calculated the total cost of ownership of my GT 650. First things first, I bought my bike in 2024 for an ex-showroom price of 3,34,000 rupees, 18% RTO and insurance. Total on-road was 4,22,915 rupees. But if you want to buy the same bike, ex-showroom in 2026 with 40% GST is 3,75,245 rupees, 18% RTO, the same insurance cost. Total on-road is 4,79,134. The price difference between the both 56,219 rupees. Maintenance cost for first service was 2,780 rupees and 473 for second service. Third service was 5,163 rupees and the fourth service was 1,197 rupees. The total cost of maintenance 9,613 rupees. The 648cc engine is thirsty. So for 16,569 kilometers with an average of 22 kilometers per liter and 103 rupees per liter, fuel will cost 77,573 rupees. This is the sad part. After crashing, I had to get a new front brake lever for 7,068 rupees. And after a long ride, I had to change my chain sprocket and the front brake pads for rupees 8,745 rupees, making the total repair cost 15,813 rupees. To avoid damage to the underbar, fly screen for a little bit of wind protection, and for cool factor, a dual seat cowl and bar end mirrors. This makes the total accessory cost of rupees 10,910 rupees. Now, the final cost of everything comes to 5,36,824 rupees.